students. Welcome to lab number 33 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. The title of the program is Get the Factorial of a Non-Negative Integer Using Recursion. First of all, what is the meaning of a factorial of a number? Factorial of a number. Now, what is the meaning of this? Suppose I am writing 4. It means 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, that is 24. 24 will be the output. Now, basically, whenever we are calculating the factorial, it keeps on multiplying all the numbers diminishing by 1 up to 1. You have to multiply all the numbers. Then you can find the factorial of the number. Now, what is the meaning of recursion? You have to design one function and function calls itself. Now, two conditions are there. You have to design a function which call itself again and again. And second one is you have to multiply all the numbers diminishing by 1 and up to 1. Two conditions are required. Let us design a function and pass one variable or one, you can say, argument. If n is equal to 1, return n. Means the factorial of 1 is equal to 1. Otherwise, return n multiply function and pass n minus 1. This one is the repetitive call of the function. Now you have to pass the variable. Whatever the value or whatever the factorial you have to calculate. Int input, enter any integer value. Now the entered value may be negative, may be positive, may be 0. Suppose user enters some negative value. You can print kindly enter positive value. If the value is equal to 0, then you can print factorial of 0 is equal to 1. Else you can use function print factorial of the entered number x is equal to, then you can pass the value inside function. Now execute the program. Suppose I am entering some negative value, kindly enter positive value. If I am entering 0, you can print factorial of 0 is equal to 1. If I am entering some other value, you can print the factorial is equal to that particular value, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, you can print some another value, you can print the factorial accordingly. I am repeating again, get the factorial of a non-negative integer using recursion. You have to know about what is the meaning of factorial and what is the meaning of recursion. Simply, you can print the data by multiplying the content also, but you have to do the program using recursion, means you have to apply again the function inside the function. You have to repetitively call that particular function inside the function. Only then this condition is satisfied, otherwise your program will be wrong. Define function, then if n is equal to 1, you can return that particular value, because factorial of 1 is equal to 1, else you have to multiply each time all the values by decreasing by 1 and up to 1. Then the last condition, x, you have to enter the value from user side. If this value less than 0, then print kindly enter positive value. If this value is equal to 0, then factorial of 0 is equal to 1. Otherwise, you have to pass this particular value inside the function. In this way, you can design the program. Thanks for watching my video. In the next video, I will discuss about module of factorial in Python. By default, some contents are there which are already defined inside Python, with the help of which you can find the factorial. I will discuss about that. Thanks for watching my video.